This is my Winchester that my pop got me, and I like the pliers because they have cutting blades, and it also has a good knife here.
Get the knife. Oh yeah. What else has it got?
And it's got a fish scaler, and the top pulls out the hooks, and also a ruler and nail filer.
What is that? Oh yeah. Has it got pliers?
Yeah, I already showed the pliers.
Oh yeah. What else has it got? What sort of things can you do with a knife?
Well, here's my blunt knife over here. If I can get it out. And this one's my bluntest knife here.
Does it come with a pouch?
Yes, this one's the pouch, and it also has these ones.
What do they do?
They're on there.
Right.
And this is my bluntest knife I've got in it.
Okay. Oh, it's a beauty, isn't it? And how much does that cost, that knife?
Pop didn't tell me.
And where do you get it from?
Anaconda.
And do you like the knife?
Yes.
It's good for kids? Good for camping and fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
And here's the... This is hard to get it out. I'll just have to remove the pliers. And they're also spring loaded there.
Yeah.
And it's the same as Denzel's.
Who's Denzel?
He's my best mate.
Right. Has Danny got the same one, has he?
Yes.
So, got anything else you want to say?
No.
Okay. We'll say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching my video of my Big Wood.